ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকের ক্লাসটি হলো ক্লাস 12-এর মডেল অ্যাক্টিভিটি টাস্ক। এই ক্লাস থেকে আশা করব ক্লাস 12-এর স্টুডেন্টরা খুব উপকৃত হবে। তোমরা যদি উপকৃত হয়ে থাকো তাহলে অতি অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো এবং বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করে দিও। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, অ্যান্ড আউট অফ ইটস লেপ্রাস হাইড, হোয়াট ডাজ হাইড রেফার টু? আনসার কী হবে? হিয়ার হাইড রেফার্স টু দ্য বার্ক অফ দ্য ট্রি। সেকেন্ড কোশ্চেন, why is it called leprous? Answer, the bark of the tree is called leprous because it is brown, dry and rough and looks like a leprosy patient. How is the tree finally killed? Answer, killing a tree is a difficult task. It takes much time and effort. The tree cannot be killed by simple jab of a knife or by hacking or chopping it. For killing a tree, its root is pulled out from its secure shelter inside the earth after tying with a rope. After uprooting, the root has to be exposed to sunlight and air so that it scorches, chokes, browns, hardens, twists and finally withers. Then it is assured that the tree has been finally killed. But her next question removed my doubts. Who does her refer to? Answer kya hai? In Ruskin Bond's short story, The Eyes Have It, her refers to the girl, the co-passenger of the narrator. Second question, what doubts did the narrator have? Answer, the narrator had doubts whether the girl had noticed that he could not see. How did the question remove the doubts? Answer, her question was, why don't you look out of the window? If the girl had known he could not see, she did not ask him to look out of the window. So her next question removed the narrator's doubts. Question number 3. Justify the title of the story, The Eyes Have It. Answer, the title of Ruskin Bond's story, The Eyes Have It, is quite witty and befitting for the story. The story tells about a short and casual meeting of the blind narrator with the girl during a train journey. Considering her to be quite normal, he tries to conceal his blindness in every possible way. He even praises the girl's face and gives an account of the lovely scenic beauty of Missouri. The narrator, in his conscience, has created a beautiful portrait of the girl with the help of his imagination. It is interesting that after the girl's departure, the narrator discovers that the girl too is blind. The blind girl also establishes a smooth communion with the narrator spontaneously. Their physical eyes get deactivated, but their mental eyes become more active. Thus, the whole story revolves around the very theme of blindness and the appropriate power of inner eyes. So, the title of this story is appropriate. Question number 4. Summary answer. Title, Communication in the Animal World. Communication is common to both humans and animals. It is used to convey different modes and messages through verbal and non-verbal modes. Male blackbirds are known to sing to attract females as well as to keep other blackbirds off their territory. Similarly, sea mammals sing to attract mates as far as hundreds of kilometers away. আমার এই ক্লাস থেকে তোমরা যদি উপকৃত হয়ে থাকো তাহলে অতি অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো এবং বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করে দিও। আর এই কোশ্চেনগুলো লেখার সময় তোমরা স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নেবে, তোমাদের লিখতে সুবিধা হবে। এইভাবে সুন্দর করে তোমরা খাতাটিকে তৈরি করে জমা দেবে। নমস্কার।